In this video, we are going to see all about basics of auto increment function, how to use the query and use of the function, everything we are going to see in this video. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Text snippets is here. Let's start the video. Before that, I have the database. Let's run and use the query. And firstly, I will tell you that what is meant by the auto increment function. The auto increment function is that I will give you with the help of the example. If I will type the 10 names, before that the numbers is generated automatically as ID like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on as per our requirement. That is known as the auto increment function. I will show you with the help of the MySQL. Okay, our table is ready and we will run it. And after that, here you can see our ID is int, not null, auto increment. It means ID will automatically typed by the SQL, and we have to give the name as varchar, and here we have given the primary key to the ID. I will insert some data. Here we have to select it. Our data is here. Only I have given the name as here A, and we have to select it and run it. I will show you. Select it and run it. Here you can see we have not typed the 1. It has did automatically. Only we have given the A, as you can see here. We will check it once again. We have to select it and we have to run it. Only I will change here else with B. Okay, we have to run it and we will see the table. Here you can see it has been automatically typed as 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give the numbers and so on as per the requirement. This is how we saw that how the auto increment function works. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.